Hello! For this lesson, we are going to focus on sixes. So our first problem is count by 6 to fill the blanks below. So we have 6, then we have 12, 18, 24. So another way to see this is 6 times 2, 6 times 3, and 6 times 4. And then it says, complete the multiplication equation that represents the final number in your count by. So the final number in our count by was 24. And so we have 6 times 1 equals 6, 6 times 2 equals 12, 6 times 3 equals 18, and then 6 times 4 equals 24. So we're going to write that in there. And then this one says, complete the division equation that represents your count by. And so we had 24, we'll write that in here, and then 24 divided by 6 should be 4. So really doing this is just switching this equation around and making it division instead of multiplication. We're going to go over here. And this one says, Sylvia solves 6 times 9 by adding 48 plus 6. And she got the 48 because she knew that 6 times 8 equals 48. And so she had 8 sets of 6, and then adding one more set of 6 will get her 54, which is 6 times 9. And then it says, show how Sylvia breaks apart and bonds her numbers to complete the 10, then solve. So instead of rounding down to 8, you could round up and do 6 times 10, and that equals 60. And then you would have to take a 6 away from that because you added an extra 6 in there with the 10. And so you would get the same answer of 54 that she got up here from the 48 plus 6. And we are going to go to this one over here. And it says, use number bonds to help you skip count by 6 by either making a 10 or adding to the ones. So what they did here, they took this 6 and broke it down to 4 plus 2. There's no plus sign there, but you get what I mean. And then they took this 6 plus 4 and got 10. And then they had this 2 left over. And so that 10 plus 2 equals 12, which is also 6 plus 6. And then down here, I'm going to show you another one. They split the 12 up by 10 and 2. And so they already had a 10, and so they took what's left over, which is 8. And then 10 plus 8 equals 18, which is also the same thing as 12 plus 6. And so the one we're going to practice by ourselves, they already split up the 2 and the 4 for us. And so I'm going to take the 18 and the 2 and add those together and get 20. And then you would have 4 left over. And so that would be 20 plus 4, which is 24, which is the same as 18 plus 6. Okay, so I hope that is making sense to you all. If you have any questions, please feel free to email myself or Miss Hoppert. For today, all you have to do is watch this lesson, and for Thursday's e-learning, I will send out a couple problems for your homework, and then Friday we will have our Zoom chat as usual. So be on the lookout from that, and I hope you can all join me. Thank you guys, bye!